Okay, it just arrived, and so we are going to unbox these and also find out the difference in sound that this is going to produce. Alright, so sorry about my messy garage. I am working on getting that cleaned up, but this is what I currently have, which is a stock 24 Road Glide, and I got these slip-on covers, and we're gonna see the difference in sound. So what I'm gonna do next is turn it on, and then you will not see me again until they are installed. So here we go.